Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee like Starbucks at home. First, select premium coffee beans, ideally medium or dark roast, for that signature Starbucks taste. Grind your beans right before brewing to preserve their aromatic oils. Always use filtered water. It makes a significant difference in the final flavor of your cup. These initial steps are crucial for a delicious start. For brewing, a French press or pour-over method works best to mimic Starbucks' rich coffee. Aim for a coffee-to-water ratio of 1:16, which is about 2 tablespoons of ground coffee per 6 ounces of water. Heat your water to between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. This temperature range prevents bitterness and ensures a smooth brew. To achieve that signature Starbucks creaminess, steam your milk to around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a milk frother or even a whisk on the stovetop. Incorporate your favorite syrups or sauces, like vanilla or caramel, to replicate popular drink flavors. A good frother will help you create that perfect velvety foam for lattes and cappuccinos, elevating your homemade coffee. Finally, garnish your delicious homemade coffee with whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for that professional touch. Don't be afraid to experiment with various roasts and flavor combinations to discover your new favorite drink. Remember, practice makes perfect, so enjoy the process of becoming your own barista. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.